Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locking down prerequisites and immediate actions. Know the exact syllabus and exam format so you study purposefully. Once done, collect lecture videos, lab guides, and the primary textbook to avoid scattered searching. Make a weekly plan that includes 3 to 5 hours of focused study plus dedicated lab sessions. This balances theory and practice. Start a simple project in week 1 to apply concepts as you learn. This anchors knowledge and speeds troubleshooting later. Now you move into concentrated study and hands-on execution. Break the course into weekly modules and tackle sensors, networking layers, protocols, security, and edge processing systematically. Make sure to complete every lab assignment, reproduce sample projects, and then build one small extension each time to test your understanding. Once comfortable, take timed mock quizzes to simulate exam pressure, analyze mistakes, and target weak areas. This combination of deliberate practice and assessment turns passive reading into for the final push you consolidate and validate. In the last 2 weeks, review concise summaries and flashcards, rerun labs end-to-end, and memorize important diagrams and command sequences. Make at least 2 full exam simulations under timed, no-notes conditions to build confidence and iron out submission steps. If something breaks, inspect error logs, revert to a recent working commit, and recreate minimal failing examples before asking for help. One troubleshooting tip: reproduce the issue reliably. That makes fixes and support far faster.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.